basically divided in three main areas of development. First of all, to have some infrastructure that is available to our research units, our universities, collabs, all the research environment in Portugal, and also, and very importantly, to industry, including SMEs. So this is one of the targets, or one of the axes of the strategy, to provide infrastructure, high-performance computing infrastructure. In terms of the second axis of the strategy, if we call it like that, it's the infrastructure. Infrastructure is basically to have all this computational power and provide it in easy to use as possible to all this community, all these people working doing research and doing innovation based on high performance and advanced computing forms. And this will of course be the availability of tools, software and services to access this infrastructure. And the third and most important, and actually the center part of the strategy, is to empower people. Empower people at the different levels to work and to operate high-performance computing infrastructures, to develop new tools, new software, and to apply it to all different areas of research and innovation. Namely, for instance, Earth observation, molecular, biochemistry, all these areas that are much in need. They are using instruments and tools that are producing huge amount of data that is to be processed, and based on which we have to do simulations and to extract value that can then be spilled over to the economy in forms of innovation. And so it's absolutely fundamental that we prepare a pool of people, talented and prepared people, to extract all this wealth from the data that we have using this tool, which is high-performance computing. And to that end, we will put, of course, a number of programs and initiatives to empower these people to be the central part or the motto of this strategy and to become it successful for the country.